lunch, mortals. Welcome to our empty house tour. Come on in. This house is built in 1929. I wanted a house that was in the 20s or older, so this is right at the end of what we wanted. And it is a storybook Tudor, so I'm really excited. It's in the neighborhood I like. This is the front window. It is huge. It has a really nice seating area that's going to be great for a Christmas tree. The cats already love this. We brought them over last night. And the wind is opening our doors.
Spooky ghost.
I think our house is haunted. This room is our front living room, entry room. It's really big, so I think that we can make it multifunctional. I don't like this mural. A lot of people come in and they're like, this is such a cool mural. Why would you get rid of it? First off, it's peeling, it's gross. That has asbestos in it, so we have to not touch anything right here or down in the basement. Until we get that removed, it's going to cost a lot of money, but every old house has something that ends up costing a lot of money. We knew what we were getting into. So this is going to probably end up being a fireplace because I had that cauldron in our old house's fireplace and I want that again. There's no fireplace in this house. Gonna have to get a permit for a fireplace. The tall ceilings, I have kind of like this vision thing that I want of Wiseacres. It's like wizard equipment that's in Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I kind of want to do something like that with the ceiling. And this doorway that's into the hallway where all our bedrooms are it has a door, and it's really weird because this door opens into another door that is a bedroom over there, and it just causes so much trouble. Like, why even have a door into the hallway? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a large archway, entryway, because the room doesn't start till like back here, so we can easily open up this into the hallway and not have a door here anymore. It's going to be really nice. Put some built-in shelving so it has that 1920s feel. I'll have some pictures so you can see that. This is our dining room. I don't really have any plans for it besides that we originally, and a couple of the other houses that we were looking at before we settled on this one, wanted our dining room to be like a seance room, so we want like a big round table with a big crystal ball in the center, something kind of spooky like that and cool. But we do want the kitchen to be more open into the dining room, so we're going to tear down this wall. And we also like all the windows in the house, but we might have to get rid of some of them, redo them, because they're all single pane, which is kind of loud and also very hot. I am very hot right now. It has been very cold the last week and cloudy and rainy, and then today it's super sunny and hot and I'm sweating. But let's go into the kitchen. Follow me this way. So this is a built-in pantry. A lot of 1920s houses have built-ins, but this is going to be where our fridge is. It's going to be a fridge nook. We're going to rip all this out and then shove the fridge back into it so that it is, tucked away in there, and we still have a nice entry into the kitchen. This wall, though, it's going gone, and it's going to be a waterfall countertop bar seating area with just like an open peninsula feel to it, no appliances or anything on it. But over here we have a stove, and what we're going to do is we're going to move this stove all the way to this wall over here and have like a little bit of countertop space, stove, countertop space. This wall is going to actually come out a little bit more because it's going to be the laundry room. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, this is the rest of the kitchen. And right now we don't have a fridge. I think the fridge would have gone here, but it would have been a tiny fridge. But this is all going to be like open countertops to here, to the sink. And I might shove in the microwave here because I don't want the microwave above. I want a nice hood for our our oven. But on this side, I think this used to be a breakfast nook. A lot of old 1920s houses have breakfast nooks, but we're not going to use it for that. So we're actually going to expand this wall out to, I think, about this line on the tile. Maybe not this far. But this is going to be the laundry room. Right now it is a little tiny weird hallway bathroom. It's going to go away. We don't need that. Get rid of it. Laundry room. So this door is actually going to have to move over here, and they're going to be really pretty vintage looking double doors to the back with a cool steps into the backyard because we're a little bit elevated on this side. We're going to have to replace all the windows in here as well because they're single pane and they're not going to match up with what we're planning. But let's go into this creepy bathroom. So This bathroom, I feel like every old house has like a weird quirk to it. This is the quirk of our house. This bathroom has 3 doors that open into each other right here. There is one back here too. Yeah. This one doesn't even shut. This one goes to the kitchen, this one goes to a bedroom, this one goes to the basement, which is creepy. We have this weird toilet with this hole in the wall sink that doesn't even, I don't even know what's going on here, but this is all going away. My laundry units are gonna be like here, here. The feel for the laundry room I kind of want is like either like little lemons and blossoms, kind of something bright, or honeydukes, since I want this kitchen to be kind of like Ghibli, whatever you want to call it, themed, a little bit rustic, a little bit colorful, witchy, magical aesthetic to it. But I want this one to be kind of like a bright when you come in. So we're gonna have like a cute frosted glass vintage door to come into this room. I feel like laundry rooms should be bright. But we want to look in here. We're not gonna go in, it's full of asbestos. We don't want to die in 40 years. Creepy, creepy basement. And then creepy attic space. So like, I don't know why anybody would ever want to take a shit in here, because you could get attacked from the top or the bottom by a creepy ghost, demon lady. So this is the biggest bedroom in the house. I think right now we're just gonna use it as a guest bedroom / workout room. We don't have really any decor plans for this room, and nothing really is remodeling. We'll have to replace the windows, of course. This will get a better door on it. Right now it's full of my stuffed animals. Carpet's getting ripped up because there's wood floors under here. Dean will show you afterwards when we move to the other one. But yeah, so we're not doing anything to this room. It's like the one room in the house we don't really do much to. We have this really cool built-in. I love 20s houses because they have built-ins, and I love this built-in, but it's gonna go. It's gonna be like almost exactly the same, just fresh wood, fresh, like nice pull-out drawers, half closed, that kind of stuff, because it'll be our linen closet. And then into the hallway, we have a nice coat closet. We have very beautiful vintage, like, doorknobs on everything, glass doorknobs on every door, but we're gonna replace those with reproduction ones because these ones don't have locks. They're really wobbly. I got locked in the bathroom the other day. It was terrifying. I was screaming because Dean was outside. It wasn't a good experience. But this closet's gonna go away. This wall is going to extend out to here. That's gonna be the master bedroom, and this is where the door is gonna start, so we can have a bigger master bedroom. So this closet and the closet behind it are all going to be like totally demolished so that this room is actually larger. And the reason that we're going to make this room larger is because it's actually quite a small bedroom. It's not as big as the one over there, but if it goes all the way back to the wall in here, so this is actually all floor space, we could easily fit a king bed here, and then we're going to add a a new bedroom, not bedroom, bathroom, closet to this side, so it's going to go into the backyard. It's going to be an add-on with a door in here. We have some plans for it, but nothing like super set in stone yet. We still have to get the permit for that. But we're going to have an add-on master suite. It's going to be great. We have the bathroom. The best bathroom in the house because it's not the creepy one. It's really vintage, has vintage tile, the black and white tile on the shower. I really like it. I love the built-in in here, but we're gonna get rid of the built-in because we want to move the toilet that's right behind you over to here, take this wall down, put glass up, glass across, and put a full countertop with really nice stuff. We have a really cool faucet from Disney World that's an Aladdin lamp that's from one of the hotel bathrooms, and we're gonna make this kind of like Jasmine's Garden kind of theme I've got going for it so far. So that's the weird door that opens into the bedroom, so you can't even shut the bedroom door if you want this open. That's going to go away and become a big arch entryway into, it doesn't even shut. Half of these doors don't shut, but it's going to go all the way out here and be a big entryway. This is going to be my office / filming room. It's nice. Yeah, I don't really have, it's probably going to look exactly the same as it did at the old house. Got a big closet. Do you want me to rip up the floors? I haven't done it yet. How do you do it? Dean keeps doing this. Okay. So there are wood floors underneath all the carpets because damn those baby boomers, if there's something they like doing, it's putting carpet on hardwood floors. So we're gonna rip these up, refinish all the floors in the house, seen them probably a darker color. Yeah, so I think that's everything for the house. We're gonna make it back into the living room now. Nope, 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 nope. And then go to the backyard really quick. Do a little quick once over in the backyard. You can run in a full circle in this house. Our cats are gonna love it. You can go through it once this is, well, I guess this is gonna go away. So for a while they'll be able to run full circle in our house, and then they will no longer do it. So backyard door is gonna move over here, but for now it's here, and there's this weird built-on for this laundry room, but it's rotting and kind of falling apart. And I'd rather have more backyard space on this side, so we're just gonna rip this whole thing out. So this is gonna be going back to the backyard house wall. This is going to be the laundry room in there, and it's gonna go out a little bit further. I think it's a better use of space. I'd rather have it in there than out here. Some steps down, and this is our backyard. It's very big. I think it's pretty good size. We have these really cool raised planters all the way around here that I'm gonna put my little garden in. Lots of really good plants. Our whole front yard is covered in amazing plants as well. Way better than this. Like our front yard, much better than our backyard. I'm gonna do raised planters across the garage. We're gonna have a door into the garage so we don't have to use the gate anymore. To this master bedroom, so it's gonna be the master suite. Bathroom is going to be right here, and then the roof line is gonna be pitched just like it is there, over here above the bathroom here. And then we of course have to redo this fence and back wall and take down some of these trees. Then over here, this shed's gonna go away, but we're gonna do an add-on suite to about here. That's gonna have like a kitchenette, a little bathroom. So when people stay over, they kind of have their own place to stay, / entertaining space that's gonna kind of open up into here. And then this is probably Dean's favorite area. This is his garage and a big giant driveway that you calculated how many cars?
6.
6 cars. So he can work, I think 2 cars can fit in here, and he wants to raise the roof so that he can put a car lift in it and then have other cars that he's working on here, as well as we have a driveway in front of the garage that's really nice, and there's lots of street parking, so we're gonna have a lot of cars soon. Dean better start a YouTube channel about working on cars. So that's everything for our house. I hope that you keep checking in, subscribe so that you can see all of our updates on the house. This is going to be the second house we've ever remodeled. I'm going to put footage up of our old house that we completely remodeled before we sold that and moved into this one. So you can see a little bit of what we are capable of doing, but this one's going to challenge us because it's older and a little bit different. I'm really excited, but I will see you later. Don't forget to stay spooky. Bye!